Want to boost your productivity online? Today I'm showing you 5 must-have Chrome extensions for 2025 that will make your work, studies, and everyday browsing so much easier. These are free, powerful, and can save you hours every single week. Let's get started. We spend a huge chunk of our lives in a web browser, right? For work, for school, for just about everything. But a lot of us still use it out of the box. It's like having a smartphone, but only ever using it to make calls. The best part? Many are free and take about 10 seconds to install. First up is Grammarly. If you've ever typed an email, a blog post, or even just a YouTube comment and worried about spelling mistakes, this extension is a lifesaver. It underlines errors in real time. It doesn't just fix grammar, it also suggests clearer, more professional ways to write. The free version is enough for most people, but there's also a premium upgrade if you want advanced features. Premium adds suggestions for tone, style, and even formality level. If you write online at all, this is a must-have. It works across Gmail, social media, Slack, you name it. It's the digital equivalent of proofreading instantly and catching things your eyes might miss. Next is the Notion Web Clipper. If you do research, study, or just come across useful articles, this tool saves them directly into your Notion workspace with a single click. Think of it as a supercharged bookmarking tool that saves the content itself, not just a link. Choose a database or page. Add tags, notes, and properties right there in the clipper, organized before it even lands in your workspace. Students can clip multiple sources into a thesis research database, complete with the source URL and full text. Creators build a swipe file of designs, marketing copy, or video ideas. It's available across devices, even offline. No more chaotic tabs or cryptic bookmarks. You're building your own searchable library of the internet. Clean, efficient, and a must-have for organizing your digital life. Number 3 is Loom, one of my personal favorites. This lets you record your screen and camera at the same time. Great for tutorials or quick explanations without long emails. Record your screen, record your camera, record both simultaneously. Then instantly share it with a link. No rendering, no uploading, no waiting. Instead of a 10-paragraph email, send a 2-minute video. It's faster for you and clearer for them. Give precise feedback on a design. Onboard a teammate with a quick walkthrough. Even outside work, it's incredibly useful. The free plan is generous, a huge time saver. At number 4 is LastPass. We all have too many passwords, and reusing the same one isn't safe. A password manager creates, stores, and autofills strong, unique passwords. You remember one master password, it handles the rest. Password reuse is how accounts get compromised. Unique passwords compartmentalize risk. One breach doesn't sink everything. There are other great managers, but LastPass is user-friendly with a robust free tier. It works across desktop, phone, and tablet. In 2025, this is a must-install for safety and peace of mind. And finally, ChatGPT for Chrome, bringing AI directly into your browser. Highlight text and tap to summarize, explain, or rewrite without leaving the page. Get the gist of a long article in seconds. Brainstorm social variations and suggested hashtags. Make a rough email more professional. Translate text and draft replies in-page. The AI comes to you. You still need a ChatGPT account, but the extension is free. So those are my 5 must-have Chrome extensions for 2025. From writing smarter to staying secure, these tools can make a huge difference. Which one will you install first? Drop your favorite in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and AI tools. Pick one, try it for a week, and see how it fits your workflow. Peace.